Hi, this is Aseem Mishra. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Aseem Mishra's Lab. Today I am going to share with you my perspective on how the world is heading towards the new normal. This is part 1 of my two-part series. The way COVID-19 has hit the entire globe unguarded, it appears like hitting the reset button. I would not like to delve into conspiracy theories, but certainly seems like a complete restart. And please note, it's true. The world is not going to be the same at the end of this lockdown. It'll seem like a new beginning. Now, just look around yourself. The world around us has already begun changing. What is this life if full of care? There's no time to stand and stare. In this lockdown situation, one can clearly hear the chirping of birds much more clearly around us. One can see the color of the sky turn blue in place of grey. The river water has become cleaner and clearer. The animals who were designed to coexist with us and had moved far away from us have already begun missing us and have come on the roads. Whereas we had forgotten about our coexistence with them and had begun encroaching into their part of the world. My apologies to get too philosophical here. After all, we are all humans first. If you note, we as smart human beings have already subconsciously realized that technology is the current in thing. Here, I would like to use the terminology Internet of Things, IoT as we call, a bit loosely to express myself better. In the sense, the way we are now talking about Internet of Things on similar lines from an HR perspective, I would like to call the current situation as IT is the in thing. When I say that, I mean there will be a clear acceleration of digital transformation and cloud computing. In fact, the world has already extensively started moving towards digitization of everything around us from a convenience perspective. I quote, digital transformation is inevitable. Human being is designed to be unstoppable. Each one of us is unstoppable. It's just that some have been working hard and the others have been hardly working. This is the time to break all the boundaries around you created by self or others and march forward. It's time to recover and rebound. Remember, that's how winning is done. So, when we begin after this lockdown, in my view, I reiterate, my view, the entire world will see an upsurge towards digital transformation. The new mantra will be digitize, digitize, and digitize, which means more opportunity for all of us. So, don't panic and get disheartened, my friends. It's just a phase and will pass by. If you have come this far, you are already a winner. Just be optimistic. Look at the brighter side. There's always a workaround to a problem. It's just that we need to find one. Get smarter, be the starter. This time with newer and more probable solutions. As IBM states Smarter Planet, yes, in true sense, we will move strongly towards Smarter Planet. Mega growth towards cloud computing, SaaS, IoT, smarter application developments, big data, data analytics, predictable models will become more popular. Use of bots, AI, machine learning. I can just go on. IT will have a huge impact on education and training sectors as well. Schools and colleges have already begun using smart cloud applications for teaching and conducting virtual classes. This will only increase over a period of time. Those days are not far when the cost of tabs, iPads would come down and become more affordable for students in villages. The concept of heavy school bags will become the story of past. While it's already existing in some of the cities in India, but now it will further catch up with greater rigor. The gap between data and us will further reduce. Location of an employee would be least important. Productivity will be the key deliverable that would count the most. The IT and ITES industry will move towards more virtual solutions from an India perspective. The current situation of lockdown has made everyone believe that till the time your productivity is assured, location does not matter. Video conference meetings will become more popular, work from home will become a key factor to attract talent. Most of the functions would have this option of work from home, except a few who would have a field job or in manufacturing. Talent acquisition strategy will also see a huge change. There would be more virtual interviews, including offers being made based on virtual interviews going forward. Travel budget will be curtailed to a large extent from a cost perspective. In non-IT industry also, there would be focus on R&D, focus on increased productivity, better quality products, least manufacturing defects, lesser human intervention in manufacturing process, basically usage of bots will increase. The final objective will be to reduce dependency on human labor and reduction in labor cost. COVID-19 has hit the global economy big time. The worst hit sectors are aviation, tourism, hotel industry, oil and gas sector. In fact, automotive and insurance sectors also have taken a big hit. Globally, the common phenomena is sharp decline in GDP. Some of the major power blocks that have been affected are China and the US along with the Europe. China will see a sharp slowdown but will quickly recover. It's expected to have a flat GDP in 2020, whereas the US and the Europe will take longer time to recover, though the fiscal policy would help it recover from the economic damage. But don't we agree that life still goes on? So the change or the new normal will be greater opportunities for those who are more resilient, ready to learn newer skills, new technology, new methodology, and ready to multi-skill themselves. Overall, the world will be a happier place with more emotionally engaged employees. Change is inevitable, but it's very important to have your return business plan ready to bounce back. This is the end of part 1. I will be sharing the second part very soon, which will encapsulate how do we bounce back from where we stand in today due to COVID-19. Thank you.